something like this before? I don't think anyone has. Not until today.
At a small wooden house carving a piece of wood, the soft sound of the blade matching the calm wind. Your car stops nearby. He looks up, surprised, then slowly stands. From his pocket, he pulls out a rusty key that seems older than the road itself. He walks to a broken garage door and unlocks it. The door creaks open. A sharp, aggressive silhouette appears under thick dust. A Lamborghini Huracán. Its low stance, wide body, and razor-like lines barely catch the sunlight as the camera slowly circles it. Voice, have you ever seen something like this before? I don't think anyone has. Not until today. Close-ups reveal flat performance tires pressed into cracked concrete. Headlights are fogged, paint is scratched, and dust is packed deep into the air vents. The engine bay opens, showing dry hoses and lifeless metal. Silence fills the garage. Voice. Time tried to slow it down, but speed was never meant to be forgotten. The old man reaches into his pocket and pulls out a faded photograph. It shows him years ago standing beside the same Huracán on an open road. Younger, smiling, full of life. He gently taps the hood, brushing away dust with his hand. Voice. This wasn't just a car, it was freedom frozen in time. A truck pulls into the village. The restoration crew steps out with toolkits, cameras, and lights. They walk slowly around the car, inspecting every line, every scratch, every memory trapped in the metal. One opens the door, breathing in the scent of old leather and fuel. Voice. We didn't come just to fix a machine, and we came to release a legend. Ramps slide into place. The Huracán rolls forward inch by inch. Dust falls in clouds as villagers gather to watch. The car is secured onto a flatbed. The old man raises his hand in a quiet wave as it drives away. Voice. Every step forward brings it closer to the road it was born for. Massive metal doors open at a modern performance workshop. Bright LED lights switch on one by one. The Huracán rolls inside, surrounded by lifts, screens, and high-end tools. The world of speed welcomes it back. Voice. From silence to a house of power. Foam coats the sharp body lines. Power washers blast away years of dirt. The bold color beneath begins to shine. The Lamborghini badge glows under the lights like a crown being revealed. Voice. The wild returns, one detail at a time. The rear hood lifts. Mechanics move with focus and precision. Wires are reconnected, fluids are poured. Bolts are tightened. The heart of the beast is rebuilt piece by piece. Everyone steps back, the voice. A heart built for racing, ready to breathe again. Inside, Alcantara seats are cleaned and restitched. Carbon fiber trims are polished. The digital dash flickers on, lighting up the dark cabin with a futuristic glow. Voice. Control, comfort, and chaos, and perfectly balanced. Fresh paint flows across the body in a glowing booth. Buffing wheels glide over every edge and curve, turning the surface into a mirror that reflects the lights and faces of the crew. Soy's moved from battle-worn to born again. A hand flips the red start button cover. The button is pressed. The V10 engine coughs, then explodes to life. The room fills with sound, the floor vibrates. Smiles spread across every face. Voice. That's not noise, that's a promise of speed. The Huracán launches onto an open highway. The camera chases as the road blurs beneath it. Wind rushes past. The engine screams through the valley. Voice. From zero to unstoppable. The car returns to the village, glowing under the sun. Children run alongside it. Phones rise in the air. The old man steps forward, eyes wide, seeing his reflection in the flawless paint. He places his hand on the hood, feeling the engine's heartbeat beneath his palm. Voice. What once stood still now leads the way. Some dreams don't fade, they wait. The Lamborghini Huracán speeds toward the horizon as the sky turns gold. The road stretches endlessly ahead. Voice. This story doesn't end here. Text fades in on screen. Next episode, Legends of the Road, more cars. More stories, more power. Voice. Final. Follow for the next journey, because the world is full of machines waiting to be reborn.